Good morning! Mega love shoutout! Where are we going? Where are we going right now?
Itatanungin mo nga kung nagtatrabaho na si Shai.
Why?
Coffee.
Guys, we're on our way to Michigan.
Michigan?
Ay! No, we're going to Grand Bend for now.
London. We're going to London.
London. Okay, see ya! Starbucks. We just got our coffee. Thanks, Shai, for the coffee. Let's go. We're on the road already. So then we had to stop here. This is the first stop, like washroom break. And then we're on the way to the London area. Let's go. It's very nice. The weather is nice, so it's a good time to go driving here. Well, we're gonna go to Grand Bend first for now. We're gonna stop there and I'll show you the beach. Okay? We're not gonna stay there for a long time. Cambridge!
2 hours.
Oh my God! Taga dito si Joanne. Took us 2 hours to get there. That's crazy. It's a long drive. It seems like all day.
Long time. Those dreams of yours to make you
is Grand Bend.
Magpipiknik mga tao, paparada sila far just to go walk. But I cannot do that.
You can't.
Hindi pa pwedeng hindi ko
Look at this area here, is busy. Oh, look at that. Grand Bend Hotel. This is the hotel. We're going to the beach. Everybody's going to the beach. Look at this. People are walking to the beach.
Wow.
Must be nice, huh?
Wow.
Later on, you're gonna see a lot of beautiful ladies.
Wow. Ito below.
You
Chinese
do
store.
too. We're just gonna get some pick up. We can't eat. Don't need to park. Beach Boutique Tattoo Image Studio. It's police station. Welcome to Grand Bend. So famous about this area.
Parasail.
Boat. Look. I just want to see the beach. It's like Cuba. Maganda. Look at this restaurant. It's very nice weather. Now we're just gonna go around.
Siyam-siyam tayo butin dito. Late na tayo.
Umuwi na tayo. Umalis na ka na. I just wanna take picture.
Siyam-siyam dito. Wala oh. Hanggang doon oh. Pabalik. Wala.
Is there anywhere to
Yung
go?
gusto mo bumaba ka na dyan.
Yeah. Here at the Grand Bend. Guys, I'm just gonna show you Grand Bend. This is one of the largest beach here in Southwestern Ontario. It's a very beautiful beach, but it's crowded. There's a lot of people here. Hey guys, I'm here in Grand Bend, and I'm just gonna film here. show you what looks like the beach looks like. Wow, it's beautiful. Lots of people. Good weather. Where's Daddy? Ah. Amazing. Okay, this is the park area. Where did he go? Ah, I'm back now. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.